Welcome. This is a presentation of the work done by Engineers Without Borders. This is a report from a group of Engineers Without Borders from the University of Massachusetts Amherst. As an overview, what is Engineers Without Borders USA? This is a worldwide organization that works with international communities to build a better world through engineering projects. How does University of Massachusetts get involved? A student chapter works with communities in Kenya, like in Guluni and currently in Imale. On the background on how they got involved with Imale, work started in the community 3 years ago, where they helped with water supply. The general involvements of Engineers Without Borders, as you can see in that slide, they did a concrete floor to one of the classrooms. They also did school supplies. You can see a group of students and Engineers Without Borders from Massachusetts, accompanied by students from the University of Nairobi in Kenya. This is indeed a very good community involvement. They had a pre-trip where they did a borehole and water tower. And then they looked at Greenville Nexus, the subterranean aquifer system, and they designed a water tower. So you'll find there the water well, which was drilled up to the aquifer, and alongside it, you can also see the water tower, which is enough to supply the school with enough water. And on top of the water tower, as you can see, there are solar panels as shown there. So this is indeed a very good project. The water distribution, they did repairs on the water tower. They also did trenching to kiosk and kitchen. You can see that is trenching to the water kiosk and the kitchen. And they also were able to do the water kiosk as shown. Those children are very happy with the work. The rainwater catchment involves doing a concrete pad. That's a concrete pad, you can see it. They did the gutters, you can see that's preparation of the gutters over there, and they did the pipes. This is the group of Engineers Without Borders, combination of students from University of Massachusetts and University of Nairobi. You can see they did the work themselves of doing the gutters and the pipes. They did data collection on the water quality tests. They did the GPS points. They also did community surveys. As you can see, they are having surveys with members of the community. That is a very important part of data collection. So over there, you can see some of the students doing water quality tests. This is an example of community participation. Engineers Without Borders have collaborated with Kenyatta and University of Nairobi students. They also hold community meetings and they have formed a water committee. So you can see in the background there, you have Engineers Without Borders and you have the communities around there. What are the possible future implementation? The possible future implementation is an extension of the water distribution, creation of a dispensary, and improvement on the library. So you can see there is a lot that is yet to be done within the community. Now you can see the work that is being finalized. The piping work is being done. As you can see to the water tower, there is also fixing and testing of the solar panels on top of that covers the water tanks on the water tower, as you can see. And this is now the group at the water kiosk. You can see Engineers Without Borders, students from University of Massachusetts, accompanied by students from the University of Nairobi, and the community. The children from the school are very happy, and congratulations, Engineers Without Borders, for the good work that you are doing. Remain with us for more as we see what other work Engineers Without Borders is doing. This has been presented by Education Without Borders. In particular, we wanted to know who are Engineers Without Borders and what are they doing overseas and what collaborations do we have. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. We shall be back with more.